Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to make an automated collection to only display products that are on sale. So if we go over here and click collections, hit create collection, and we want to give it a name up at the top here, so let's call it on sale. So you can say something like products on sale for a limited time, act now. You don't want manual selected because we're going to automatically populate this list of products. And we're going to do that by using the compare at price, because hypothetically anything that's on sale is going to have a regular price that is lower than the compare at price. So every single product that is on sale should technically have a compare at price on your website, right? So what we're going to tell Shopify is, for this collection, compare at price must be greater than 0. Any product that has a compare at price field filled in is going to show up in this. So we'll go ahead and save, and you should see these products now because they are set to on sale. They're going to now show up in this collection. Okay, so now we have our collection made. I'll also show you how we can go ahead and link this on our website. So there's a bunch of different ways that you could build this collection into your website, but I'm going to show you just two very common ones. If you go into your online store here and click navigation, let's put it into the main menu. We're going to put this collection so that it shows up at the very top in the main menu selection with all the other collections. So we're just going to click link, collections, on sale. Click add and make sure you hit save menu. And then the second way is we're going to go into online store and we're going to go to customize. So right now I have my header, I have a big picture, and I'm also going to put a featured collection in right below. We're going to click on sale, select. Let's put 5 products in one row only, and we'll click a view all button. Go ahead and click save. And I'll just pop out of here. I have my website loaded up here, so this is how it looks like right now. So when I hit refresh, now you can see that on sale is an option up here. You see, this is how the page will appear. And my featured collection is built in right below my hero image. And just to give you an idea of how this automation works, if I were to go back over and grab any one of these products and take it off sale, so we'll just make it full regular price now, and we'll click save. And if we pop back over and refresh, you'll notice that that product is no longer in that collection. And that's how automated collections work. I really hope this video helped you out. If it did, give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comments. Thanks for checking us out.